Although the army of Azilla managed to defeat both the Demetric Rebellion and the Orcs, they have been weakened significantly and have returned to Azilla. The time had come for me to return. Yes, my name is Moonlight, the legendary Zoc Knight, and until 100 years ago, the court wizard of Azilla. I brought grave news of the Dark Emperor Rick Blood, the orchestrator of these orc invasions. Now Gano knew that they faced a far greater danger than mere organized orc raids. To fight against this great evil, Gano thought to rally the humans' former allies, the elves and the dwarves. I agreed and volunteered my help. Curian was ordered to escort me safely to the Essex woods to deliver the plan to the elves. Gano is busy recruiting soldiers for the upcoming war. War is a terrible thing, especially when it is necessary. Something is wrong here. Prepare yourself.
What is it?
The veil of Ilona that shrouds the Essex woods has dissipated.
You mean the fog that covers the woods all the time?
Something is terribly wrong. Let us hurry to the elven village.
Destroy them! Let's go.
Time.
Yes, make it quick. Let's move. I see.
I could sense the ancient heart. The ancient heart.
Yes, make it quick. Make it quick. Let's move. I see. I see. Make it quick.
I am Moonlight. I seek audience with your elder, Selin. What happened
here? Oh, Moonlight, it is you. This morning, after the Veil of Ilona mysteriously lifted, orcs and other creatures attacked our settlement. Our elder went to the Temple of Ilona to safeguard the seal there.
Let us make haste. Their aid must be the seal in the temple.
We'll come with you.
That is coming. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. I can sense it, if you insist. Well, if you insist. I can sense it. I can sense it. Let me think. Another is wrong. That is coming. Well, if you insist, it's coming. The Mara is strong here. It is coming. The mana is strong here. Knowledge is power. I can sense it. Knowledge is power. Let me think. No, if you insist, it is coming. Let me think. Let me think. The mana is strong here. Knowledge is power.
Help! Help!
Knowledge is power. Let me think. It is coming.
What do you need? Let's move. Make it quick.
I am a child
As you
of
wish.
the forest.
Time is running out. Let me think.
What do you need? Let's move. What do you need?
Let's go.
Rhythms
Let's move.
of the
Make it
ancient
quick.
heart.
Make it quick. Attack!
I'll do it.
What do you need?
Let's go. I'll do it.
Yes,
I can
what
sense
is it?
it.
Yes, what is it? What do you need? Yes, what is it?
It is coming.
Rhythms
I can
of the
sense
ancient
it.
heart.
Yes, what is it?
Rhythms
It
of the
is
ancient
coming.
heart.
I'll do it.
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
We are under attack.
Rhythms
I see.
of the ancient heart.
I see. Charge!
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
Let's move.
Yes. Fight.
Yes, what is it? Let's move. Attack!
Time is running out.
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
Forazilla!
Yes.
Make it quick.
Of the ancient heart.
Let's move. Make it quick.
No one lives forever.
Very well.
Reveal your will. Amos, be merciful.
Yes.
What do you need?
Yes, my child.
Yes, what is it?
Reveal your will. Repent,
sinners!
Make it quick.
I'll do it.
Of the
I'll
ancient
handle it.
I
heart.
can sense it. Let me think. Time is running out.
Elona, protect me.
Time is running out. It is coming.
Yes, Forazilla! Yes, what is it?
Time is running out.
I'd like to serve.
It is coming.
Rhythms.
Charge!
No one
Very
lives
well.
forever.
As you wish.
I can sense it.
Yes, what is it?
Yes, my child. Have faith, my
What do you
child.
need? Make it quick. Forazilla!
I'd
By
like
the will
to serve.
of Amos.
I can sense it.
Let's go.
Reveal your will. Yes,
By
my
the
child.
will of Amos.
What do you need?
Our army is under attack.
Yes.
I can sense it.
I'll do it.
Yes, what is it?
I'll do it.
Reveal your will. Have faith, my child.
Yes, what is it? I see. Charge!
Let's go.
I'd like to serve. Have faith, my child. Have faith, my child.
The ancient heart.
Yes. Leave it to me. Come with me.
What do you need? Let's move.
Yes, my child.
What do you
Let's
need?
move. Knowledge is running out.
Let's move. Godzilla!
The ancient
Have
heart.
faith, my child.
I'll do it.
Yes, make it quick. Let's move. Charge!
I can sense it.
Yes, what is it? I see.
The
Charge!
ancient
He's
heart.
coming.
We are under attack.
Yes, my child.
It is coming. It is coming. I could sense it.
I see.
I could sense it.
The ancient heart.
Let's move.
The
Time
ancient
is running
heart.
out.
Reveal your Have will, faith, my child.
Attack!
Of the ancient
Time
heart.
is running out. It
Of the ancient
coming.
heart.
Time is running out.
What do you need?
Yes. I'll do it. I'll handle it.
I can sense it.
Of the ancient
is
heart.
running out.
Of the ancient heart.
Yes, what is it? Charge!
Time is running out. I can sense it.
Yes, make it quick. What is it? Charge! What do you need? Make it quick.
Of the
Let's
ancient
move.
heart.
Let's move.
I'll do it. Leave it to me.
Yes, make it quick. What is it?
I'd
By
like
the will
to serve.
of Amos.
I can sense
Yes,
it.
I see. What is it? Let's move.
I'll do it. Leave it to me.
Time
What do you
is
need?
running out.
I can sense it. The rhythm. The ancient heart is beating. The seal is broken.
Rick.
You're too late, old man. I'll complete what began 100 years ago.
You can't do that, Rick. I will not allow it.
Sorry, but I don't have the time right now. Kill them.
Time is running out.
I will go after them.
Oh, it is too late. Rick Blood's power will be magnified now that he possesses the ancient heart.
I will go take a look anyway. Moonlight, find Selin. I am
worried about her.
Come back to Azilla soon. We will find a way. Take care, my old friend.
I will.
If you'll pardon my saying so, sir, you seem to know this Rick Blood?
It is a long story. I will tell you on our way back. Come.
Mission complete.